students, welcome to another new session at Graduate Guru, and we have been doing the topic buyback of shares. We've already completed 3 sums and we've understood how to pass journal entries and how to calculate our amounts for passing those entries. So now we are on the sum number 4. A company wishes to buy back 20,000 equity shares of 100 each at 20% premium. However, for the purpose, its reserves are insufficient. उनके पास reserves कम है, so obviously they will have to do the buyback by using fresh issue. It has rupees 3 lakh in securities premium and rupees 2,50,000 in general reserve account. So ये उनके total reserves हैं, which they feel that they are insufficient for buyback. So buyback के लिए उनको नए shares issue करने पड़ेंगे. Hence, it decides to issue required number of 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 25%. So ये नए issue पर भी premium है 25%. You are required to calculate the number of preference shares to be issued and pass journal entries for the above transactions. So first, because they've given us how many shares are to be bought back, 20,000 shares of 100 each, premium is also given to us 20%. So first we will try to form our equations. So my first equation for face value of buyback, and my second equation for premium on buyback. Okay. Face value, they have said 20,000 shares of 100 each. This is what they want to buy back. 20,000 into 100, that is nothing but 20 lakhs. Okay. And premium they have said is 20%. So directly on the 20 lakhs, I will calculate 20%. So let's calculate that. 20 lakhs into 20% will give me 4 lakhs. Okay. Now in this type of sum, when we don't know the number of shares which will be for fresh issue, we will have to add one more step to our calculation. First we will write down what will our face value come from. It will come from fresh issue. It will come from security premium plus the new issue is also at a premium, so I will write that also. Premium on fresh issue. And finally, free reserves. Okay. Whereas my premium will come from security premium plus premium on fresh issue and plus free reserves. Okay. Now I have 3 lakh in my security premium account and I have 2,50,000 in the general reserve account. But as I said, I don't know how many shares I will issue. So first let's calculate what is the total amount required. So my total amount is 20 lakhs plus 4 lakhs of premium. So that is 24 lakhs. Okay. Now let's split it up into 3 parts. because I have security premium with me. Security premium is given as 3 lakhs. Okay. I also have, we have general reserve, not P&L. So, general reserve we have, which is 2,50,000. And this is all the reserves I have, which I can use for my buyback. So, out of 24 lakhs, I have 5,50,000. So, what is the balance which I will need? It will be 18,50,000. And this will be your fresh issue. Okay? 18,50,000. Now, this 18,50,000 is the total amount of fresh issue. Okay? But why? What do I want to know? How much are the number of shares which we have to make the fresh issue for? So, let's divide it by what? Face value of the share is 100. Plus they have said there is a 25% premium. So, obviously it will be 25. So, I am going to divide 18,50,000 by 125 and that will give me the number of shares. So, 18,50,000 divide by 125, it gives me 14,800 shares. So, this is the number of shares which I will issue. Okay. Now, what I have to calculate is how much is the face value and how much is the premium. So, my fresh issue is of 14,800 shares. So, the face value for that will be 14,800 into 100 and premium will be 14,800 into 25. Okay. So, 14,800 into 100 is 14,80,000 and into 25 is 3,70,000. So, now we have extra premium and this face value which I can use for my buyback. Okay. So, now let's fill up our amounts over here. So, 4 lakh, out of 4 lakh, 3 lakh I have in security premium already. So, wo 3 lakh, so we will take from security premium itself. Now, I need 4 lakh, यहाँ पर आ गया 3 lakh. तो बाकी का जो 1 लाख है वो मैं प्रीमियम ऑन फ्रेश इश्यू में यूज कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज प्रीमियम ऑन फ्रेश इश्यू इज 3,70,000. सो उसमें से 1 लाख आई विल यूज फॉर माई प्रीमियम ऑन बायबैक. सो आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम फ्री रिजर्व्स. ओके. नाउ सेम वे व्हेन वी गो अप फ्रेश इश्यू वी नो वी हैव डन स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द बायबैक. सो पूरा फ्रेश इश्यू का फेस वैल्यू 14,80,000 आई विल टेक ओवर हियर. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम तो पूरा खत्म हो गया है. सो आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग इन सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम. प्रीमियम ऑन फ्रेश इश्यू में आई हैव रिमेनिंग 2,70,000. 3,70,000 में से 1 lakh I used over here. So 2,70,000 I can use over here. And my free reserves, which is my general reserve, I have of 2,50,000. Okay, let's take a total and check if I am getting the full 20 lakhs that I need. 14,80,000 plus 2,70,000 plus 2,50,000 and that gives me 20 lakhs. So finding out the fresh issue when you have less information given to you, this is how you are going to do. Because your premium, your reserves, you can use over here also, you can use over here also. So पहले हमने क्या किया, हमने टोटल ढूंढ लिया कि हमें टोटल कितना चाहिए, उसमें से सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम निकल गया, जनरल रिजर्व निकल गया, तो बाकी का जो भी अमाउंट है दैट विल कम फ्रॉम माय फ्रेश इश्यू. सो फ्रेश इश्यू एक बार ढूंढने के बाद आई डिवाइडेड इट बाय द वैल्यू एट विच आई विल इश्यू, विच इज विथ द प्रीमियम. तो 125 आई गॉट द वैल्यू, आई डिवाइडेड इट, आई गॉट द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स, उसमें से फेस वैल्यू इतना, प्रीमियम इतना, एंड आई यूज्ड ऑल ऑफ दैट फॉर फिलिंग अप माय equations. Okay, now using these amounts we will pass our journal entries like we did in the last sums. So the first journal entry is going to be for your fresh issue. So when I issue shares, I get cash or bank. So bank account debit. What are we issuing? They have given us the rate of preference shares, which is 10%. So to 10% preference share capital account, and there is also premium, so which we take to securities premium account. Amounts from this working that we did, so 14 lakh, sorry, it will be on the credit side, 14 lakh 80,000, 3 lakh 70,000, total is 18 lakh 50,000. If you want to write your narration, it will be being fresh preference shares issued for the purpose of buyback. Okay. Second entry for recording our buyback. When we record our buyback, we cancel our capital. So capital gets debited. Equity share capital account debit. We also have to pay premium to our shareholders. So premium on buyback account debit. And all this amount we have to pay to the equity shareholders. So to equity shareholders account. Let's write down our amounts from the equations that we made. So 20 lakh and 4 lakh. So 20 lakh is for capital. 4 lakh is premium. Total that I have to pay is 24 lakhs. Okay. After this, because we have used reserves for our buyback, we have to transfer it to capital redemption reserve. So which reserves have we used? The premium on fresh issue and general reserve. अब ये जो premium on fresh issue है वो हमने किस account में लिया है? Security premium. So securities premium account debit. General reserve account debit. These are the two reserves we are using. To capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve account. What will be the amounts? 2,70,000 and 2,50,000. So 2,70,000 in my premium, 2,50,000. The total is 5,20,000. Now do you realize that when I am making a fresh issue, जो fresh issue का amount है, वो कभी भी CRR में नहीं जाता है. only that which I am using from the reserves, जो हम reserves से use करते हैं वही amount CRR को जाता है, that is capital redemption reserve account में जाता है. Okay, so this is transfer to CRR. Now we have also paid premium on buyback, तो वो भी write off करना पड़ेगा. For the premium, what have I used? Security premium and premium on fresh issue. This is nothing but total security premium ही है. So I will debit security premium account. So securities premium account debit to premium on buyback account. Total 4 lakhs. Okay, and finally we make the payment. The payment goes to equity shareholders. So equity shareholders account debit to bank with the total amount which we have to pay to the equity shareholders, that is 24 lakhs. Okay, so this is how we calculate the amount of fresh issue. अगर वो sum में missing है तो take this down and then we go ahead to the next sum. Let's come to question number 5. Now in this sum, we don't know the number of shares which the company wants to buy back. We have to find out, calculate, determine what is the maximum possible buyback. We've already done that format when we were doing our theory, and we have studied how to calculate the maximum number of shares which the company can buy back when the offer price is given. This is the first type of format where the offer price is given to you. Let's read the sum. The following balances appeared in the books of Genie Limited. 2 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each, 20 lakh is the amount. Revenue reserve 4 lakh. Profit and loss account 10 lakhs. Security premium account 6 lakhs. Ascertain the maximum number of shares that the company can buy back at a price of rupees 25 each. So that is my offer price, 25. The shares are of rupees 10 each. Okay, so that means we want to give them premium of 15. 25 minus 10. So let's start with our format for finding out the maximum possible buyback. So we had our step A, which was 25% of own funds. Correct? Now, first we need to calculate our own funds. So, own funds में पहले है capital. Here there is only one type of capital, equity. So, we will directly take that amount, 20 lakhs. So, I'll write it in the inner column, 20 lakhs. Then, we always take our, First we take our securities premium. After capital, we will take securities premium, which is again given to you in the sum 6 lakhs. Then we take free reserves. What are the free reserves given to us? Revenue reserve and profit and loss account. So revenue reserve, which is 4 lakhs, again in a column, and profit and loss account, which is 10 lakhs. Let's take a total of this 20, 30, 40. So total is 40 lakhs. And this is nothing but your own funds. Right? But what do I have to calculate? 25%. So let's calculate 25% of own funds. 25% of 40 lakhs, which is 10 lakhs. Okay? And I will call this A. Right? So this was my first step. I will put it in a box so that we remember that this is the amount we have to consider. Now B is minimum own funds. So what is the calculation for minimum own funds? First you take own funds and from that we subtract half of debt. Debt is your loan funds. But in this sum, there are no loans. कहीं भी कोई भी debentures, loans, कुछ नहीं दिया है. So in such a situation, we will not take it as zero. If we take it as zero, हमारा पूरा format बिगड़ जाएगा. We simply ignore this step. So यहाँ पर एक dash रख देंगे. We will not write zero. We will not write nil. We will simply write a dash. And then we go to part C. Part C is 25% of equity capital. So first we calculate 25% of equity, which is, how much is my equity? 20 lakhs into 25%, which gives me 5 lakhs. Right? 20 lakhs into 25%. We divide it by the face value per share, which is 10 in our case. So after division, we will get maximum number of shares, which is 5 lakh divided by 10, 50,000. This is my number of shares. And this I will multiply with the offer price. Offer price means the price at which I want to buy back, which is 25 in this sum. So I am going to multiply it with 25. So 50,000 into 25 is 12,50,000. And this is your C. This was our B, which we have put a dash, and this is my C. Now what do we do? Out of these three amounts, whichever is the least. अब मैंने इतना क्यों stress किया कि मैं यहाँ पर 0 नहीं रखूंगी? Because if I put a 0, means this is the least amount. 0 सबसे कम हो जाएगा, and then buyback is not possible. वो नहीं करना है हमें. When there is no loan, I just put a dash, I ignore that step and I take these two amounts, 10 lakh, 12 lakh 50. Which is the smaller one? 10 lakh. So that becomes my amount for buyback. So amount for buyback will be least. In this case, it will be least of A and C, which is 10 lakhs. Okay? And your number of shares for buyback will be this least amount divided by your offer price, जो हमें दिया हुआ है. So 10 lakh divided by 25 gives me 40,000 shares. So this is the number of shares that we have to buy back. Now let's make our equations like we do in all the sums. Face value of buyback and premium on buyback. Number of shares is 40,000. Face value is 10. So your face value is 4 lakh. Number of shares 40,000. Premium is 15. 25 is the offer price minus 10 face value. So 15 is my premium. 40,000 into 15. 6 lakhs is my premium. Okay. Now, what are the things we use for face value? Fresh issue, security premium, and free reserves. And here, security premium plus free reserves. Right? No fresh issue in this sum. So nil. What is the security premium given to us? 6 lakhs. So first full 6 lakhs of security premium I will use for premium on buyback. So पूरा 6 lakhs security premium से आएगा. I don't need free reserves for my premium. Okay. Now because I used up full 6 lakhs over here, यहाँ पर security premium 0 हो गया. I don't have any balance in security premium to use for face value. So I will have to use the full amount of 4 lakh from free reserves. Free reserves हमारे पास दो हैं. Revenue reserve है और profit and loss है. Revenue reserve we generally use first. Okay. So 4 lakh full will come from revenue reserve. So this will come from revenue reserve. Okay. So we have all our amounts ready as usual. We have to now pass journal entries. But before that, take this whole thing down and then we'll go to the journal entries. Let's go to our journal entries now. Here in this sum, there is no fresh issue. So we start with the buyback entry. equity share capital account debit, there is also premium, so we will debit premium also, premium on buyback account debit, and who do we have to pay the amount to? Equity shareholders. So to equity shareholders account. Okay. Amounts we will get from our equations. So face value is 4 lakh and premium is 6 lakhs. So let's put that down. 4 lakh, 6 lakh, total 10 lakhs. Okay. We have used free reserves for our face value, right? Revenue reserve use kiya hai 4 lakh ka. So that will go to capital redemption reserve. So wo transfer entry we have to make. Revenue reserve account debit to capital redemption reserve, CRR. Capital redemption reserve account, whatever amount we used from revenue reserve, which is 4 lakhs. There is also premium, and for premium what have we used? Security premium account. Okay. So, security premium account debit to premium on buyback. We are writing off the premium against security premium. So, to premium on buyback account. Whatever is the total amount, 6 lakhs. And finally, payment. We have to pay to equity shareholders. So, equity shareholders account debit to bank account. The total amount which we have to pay to the shareholders, 10 lakhs. Okay. So, this sum, what did we do new? We prepared the format to find out the number of shares. वो नहीं दिया था sum में. We calculated that how many shares the company had to buy back. After that, all our steps are same. We make the equations. We pass the journal entries. So, take down the journal entries and then we go ahead. Now, let's just discuss one small homework sum and you'll be able to solve it by yourself. I'll give you the hints, the pointers for it. Plain Limited resolved to buy back 10,000 of its fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. Number of shares दे दिया है, 10,000 buyback करना है, per share 10 rupees है and 20% premium. For this purpose, it issued 350 15% preference shares of 100 each at par. So fresh issue भी दे दिया है, number of shares दिया है, okay, and they've said it is at par, means face value पर ही fresh issue है, premium नहीं है. The total sum being payable with application means जो भी हम issue करेंगे वो तुरंत सारा पैसा we'll get it together. The company uses 28,000 of its balance in security premium account, means security premium account में उनके पास कितने पैसे हैं? 28,000. Apart from its sufficient balance in general reserve. Now this word sufficient means what are they trying to tell us? कि जो भी बैलेंस रहेगा जो हमें जनरल रिजर्व से यूज करना है उतना बैलेंस जनरल रिजर्व में है. सो वी डोंट नीड टू वरी दैट कम है ज्यादा है, जितना बैलेंस चाहिए उतना बैलेंस जनरल रिजर्व में है. टू फुलफिल द लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग बायबैक, पास जर्नल एंट्रीज इन द बुक्स ऑफ द company. Now what I'm just going to show you over here is our two equations. Once we have the two equations, the sum you will be able to solve yourself. That is journal entries खुद करना है. Okay? So two equations that we always make: face value and premium. Right? Face value comes from fresh issue plus your security premium and plus reserves. Right? This is what we do every time. Premium comes from security premium and if needed plus reserves. Okay? Face value कितना दिया हुआ है? They've said 10,000 shares of 10 each. So 10,000 into 10. ये हो गया 1 lakh, right? And premium कितना बोला है? 20%. So what we are doing is question 6 homework. So premium में security premium plus reserves, we found out total 1 lakh. Premium is given as 20%. So 1 lakh into 20%, 20,000. ओके अब उन्होंने क्या बोला है? सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट में 28,000 है, तो मींस ये जो मेरा 20,000 है वो पूरा सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम से ही निकल जाएगा. रिजर्व्स आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग. ओके सो अब यहां पर व्हेन आई गो, दे हैव गिवन मी फ्रेश इश्यू 350 शेयर्स ऑफ 100 ईच. ये उन्होंने बोल दिया है. सो 350 into 100. फ्रेश इश्यू भी हमें मिल गया 35,000 प्लस सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम 28,000 था. वी यूज्ड 20,000, तो बाकी का जो 8,000 है वो हम सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम से लेंगे. राइट? दिस इज 28,000 माइनस 20,000 जो हमने नीचे यूज किया है. राइट? सो नाउ 35 plus 8, 43,000 I have. So बाकी का जो भी है I'll have to use from reserves, which is 57,000. So this is my balancing figure. इस बार ये दिया नहीं था directly. This is general reserve. जो उन्होंने बोला है sufficient balance in general reserve. This is that sufficient balance. So whatever amount we needed for the issue, for the buyback, that is available in general reserve. So these are your equations. 4 entries जो हम pass करेंगे. We will have fresh issue, we will have buyback. Sorry, there will be 5 entries. Fresh issue, buyback, then CRR वाली entry, premium वाली entry and payment. So these 5 entries which we have already done in earlier sums, you will have to do those entries. And your sum will be over. Okay? So just take this down and finish your homework sum. We'll continue with some further level of sums in the next session.